What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys, and I pray that you guys are using this weekend to prepare yourselves for the next trading week. Even though in the festive season, I still pray that you're making this day count because even though it's a festive season, that's not about you having to execute, but you still have to show up and make every moment count. But this is your boy Harlem, I repeat, and I'm back with another video. There's going to be our weekly outlook for the coming week. I think of the 25th of December up and until, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up and until the 29th of December, looking for possible direction. Happy Christmas to everybody and a Happy New Year because I know that we might be busy out there and enjoying life and doing the most. So I'm sharing my Christmas gift to you guys early. So this week we're looking for potential direction for the coming week. I repeat, before we get any further with the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment on the video, click on the link on my description to sign up with the broker that I use, Quick Trade. Into most of all, check out the day in the life vlogs that I recently dropped. They cool, they're fun, they're educational and entertaining. So obviously, first pair that we're always looking at is the NAS. So you guys know the structure of the NAS, we're strongly bullish, right? This rectangle that you're looking at, this one, it's our major resistance that we have marked out. But price has created this new higher high and this new higher low and this possible higher high to end the week, which couldn't break above this previous higher high. So looking at this now, price has created a possible double top, right? So obviously having a possible double top, our trade idea is obviously that simple. We want to be bullish above higher high. Obviously, there's two highs. Once price trades above, we simply continue moving to the upside. But if we're looking to be bearish, let's wait for price to do what to violate this higher low and trade below our resistance and then look to be bullish. So my trade idea on the NAS will be very simple. Are we breaking above our higher high? Are we breaking above our resistance or that higher low, looking for the possible reversal of a double top? Or are we going to continue moving above our higher high, looking for a new higher high? We don't know, but we're gonna keep our eyes on it so we move, right? Second pair that we're looking at is gold. So gold, you can clearly see that obviously we came back to our resistance. Price came back to our major resistance and had a strong reaction. So now I said wait for confirmation because I'm just trying to see or understand what is going to happen because prices reacted on our resistance. Are we going to continue moving above, or as well is price going to have a break above this resistance to move to the upside, or we're going to have a fail to break and look to be bearish? That's why I said wait for confirmation because price has already projected off that resistance. Is it going to continue to the downside, or are we going to get or are we going to get price giving us a trade above that high and looking to continue moving to the upside? We don't know. Wait for confirmation, right? That pair that we're looking at is German 30. So German 30, I simply don't have a trade idea because prices created this higher high and we thought this was our higher low, looking for a possible new higher high. But price is now looking to still continue moving to the downside. So I don't have a trade idea for now because I'm trying to understand that is price going to move down or will price move up? So I just don't know the move. Fourth pair that we're looking at is US 30. So even on US 30, guys, like I said, right, I, I just don't know what to do because prices created this all-time high. I'm waiting for two things. Are we going to have a break above or are we going to have a fall to break? Are we going to break down our resistance or are we going to have a break below? I just don't know. That's why I'm waiting for confirmation. So I'm waiting for signs and reason into what am I going to see or what is price going to show me and what am I going to do from what is price is giving me or showing me, right? So we move, right? The pair that we're looking at is German, that is USD CAD. So USD CAD, I want to explain why I don't have a trade idea before I continue, before we move, right? Because I don't have a trade idea. We have reacted, we reacted, we reacted, we reacted, we reacted, we reacted, and we kind of like reacted and broke below. So obviously me not having a trade idea is that I'm trying to understand that obviously from price breaking below the zone, are we going to come back for a retest and continue moving to the downside? Or is price going to create new lows just by simply continuing moving to the downside? I just don't know. That's why I said what no trade idea, but I'm mainly waiting to see, are we going to have a retest? Are we going to have a break above, or will price move, continue moving to the downside? I just don't know. So we're waiting for confirmation. We move, right? Another pair that we're looking at is Tesla, right? You can clearly see that Tesla on our current price, we're creating higher highs and higher lows, possibly creating that higher high. Now I'm waiting to see on my trade idea for the coming week, because we have this highs. Is price gonna have a break above and continue up, or for to break to continue down? Or are we gonna react on this previous zone to continue up, or break below the zone to continue down? I just don't know, but my trade idea is that simple. We're looking to continue bullish above current highs, because we're creating higher highs, right? We're creating higher highs. So breaking above that higher high, we're simply moving to the upside, continuing bullish. But if we see some type of weakness and strength of price being bearish, then I guess we'd have to wait for signs of us being bearish, right? But I'm looking for price to be bullish, because I'm seeing signs of being bullish, right? Other pair that we're looking at is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I just don't have a trade idea, to be honest. But you guys know it, that I'm waiting for a bullish breakout, or bearish breakout, or simply trade support and resistance, because price is in a sideways movement, right? We've been holding what? We've been holding 40,000 and we've been holding 44,000. We're waiting for two things: bullish or bearish breakout, or we're trading support and resistance. And that will be it. Do you guys get that? So we move, right? Other pair that we're looking at is Ethereum. Ethereum, I don't have a trade idea. You can clearly see by the looks of it how this pair is. It's not looking clean, it's not looking beautiful, and it's not looking tradable. So we move, right? Other pair is Litecoin. Hanam love to lit. I also don't have a trade idea, right? You can clearly see the price section of how price is. We're not looking clean, we're not looking beautiful, we're not looking promising and tradable. So we move, right? Last but not least, we're having oil. So you guys know that obviously oil is very simple. How we're trading oil in the COT Academy is very simple. If we're above a certain zone, we be bullish. If we below a certain zone, we are bearish. Now, by the looks of it, of our current price on oil, we are above a certain zone. So I'm looking to continue bullish, as long as we're staying above the zone. But if we turn and be below the zone, then I guess I'd have to do what? To look to be bearish, because we're below the very same certain zone. So my trade idea on oil is very simple. I'm bullish above the zone and I'm bearish below. Break below, I'm bullish. Break below, I'm bearish. Fall to break above, we're staying and reversing bullish. And there will be it. Do you guys get that? So this would be my trade idea for the coming week. This would be things that I'll be looking for. Are we respecting a zone? Are we violating a zone? Are we above a zone? Are we below the zone? Are we having persons? Are we having weakness on candlesticks and strength on candlesticks? Or are we seeing signs of price being bearish? Or are we seeing signs of price being bullish? We just don't know. That's why I wait for confirmation in many trades, and I wait for reasons as to why I have to execute. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm grateful for you guys. 2024, we're going bigger and we're going far and making bigger moves, right? 2023 was a confirmation into what we are destined for. 2024, we're going way too hard. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment on the video, click on the link on my description to sign up with the breaker that I use. And to most of all, check out the day in the live vlogs that we recently dropped. They're cool, they're fun, they're accurate, they're educational, and most of all informative. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. That's all I got on this video.